Hello. We are leaving. We're leaving Porto. We're going south, where it's hopefully warmer. We finally found a weather window to leave Porto and continue our trip to the south. There was little wind, but we didn't want to wait any longer. The waves are 2 to 3 meters high at the moment, which was already more than enough for me. In a few days the wind would pick up, but the waves would be higher too, so it was time to go. After spending the entire morning dodging fishing flags, we decided to sail further away from the coast. The rest of the day was pretty boring. There was not much we could do because we were constantly rocking on the waves.
Hi. Are you enjoying the sunset? So there's definitely something wrong in our mast.
We passed by Lisbon in the afternoon. We thought about stopping in this beautiful city, but decided not to eventually. We didn't want to be stuck here for weeks because of the weather, and we had our appointment at the shipyard in Portimão.
So I believe that the conditions are right to hoist the Code Zero for the first time. Yay! Is everybody happy? We have one reef the mainsail. just opened our code 0 or code D or whatever it's called. If it has a code, we open it. Ooh, what do we have here?
Made some croque monsieur. I don't know how it's called in English. Toasts. Cheese toast.
With ketchup and homemade mayonnaise I just made here on the boat. And I see one ship there. And he's going to pass in front of us. Like here you can see him. So this is us. And he's going to pass in front. And this is a ship that is called Grande Roma. And the ship is, let me see, a cargo ship. So, bon appetit!
Thank you.
So we are here, and here you can see it's like a highway in both directions of tankers and big ships, class A. And here the tip of Portugal, and here it's called Ponta de Sagres. And they're like a highway.
Mainsail up, one reef. It is a beautiful sunrise. We're still motoring, but we have our lights.
After a mostly quiet night on a smooth sea, we were welcomed to the south of Portugal with a beautiful sunrise.
We are up and the sails are up. Full sails. Everybody's up.
I know that there is nothing stopping me. No physical presence that I can't see. Oh, there's nothing in my way. 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 I know that there is nothing stopping me. No physical presence that I can't see. Oh, there's nothing in my way. There's nothing in my way. There's nothing in my way. There's nothing in my way.
One of our little pirates had dropped his sword in the water, so it was Daddy to the rescue with the dinghy.
So what we're going to do is We are going to set sail to Lagos. That's 1 hour sailing. Because we need to haul out the boat out of the water. We have broken sail drive seals. That means that water came in with and mixed with oil into the gearbox, the sail drive, the gear. We discovered, the technician discovered it on the 50 hours first service of the boat for the motors. So we were thinking about replacing the seals. I want to do it myself, but I was not allowed because Janwar wanted to do it for the warranty. Now we're going to Lagos. We have an appointment there to haul out the boat on the shipyard and see if we got a fishing line or not. If we didn't catch a fishing line, probably it will be a warranty claim by Janwar. Maybe it's a problem with the shaft, so that's why it's not a problem with the seals, maybe it's with the shaft. And now we are going to Lagos. It's only 1 hour. You can see it on the other side there. We are eating some pasta.
The weather was great and the sea was calm. We enjoyed our lunch on the front deck while admiring the coast of Portugal with its beautiful beaches and caves in between the rocks and cliffs.
So now it's my turn to keep the boat here on a place, and as you can see it's 30 knots of wind. It's not so easy to maneuver the boat. I'm going to take the boat out.
Wow, super stressing.
Oh God.
I hope we don't have to do this a lot of times.
No.
By the time we arrived at the boatyard, the wind picked up a lot. It was a challenging situation to dock the boat in a narrow space, close to another boat and with wind gusts up to 20 knots. After a few tries and the help of almost all of the boatyard staff pulling ropes and shouting directions, we got her on the hydraulic lift.
Okay, how was it on the boat when she's going out of the water? Was it fun to sit on it?
Just as they had the boat on the dry, we heard a huge bang, we saw smoke coming out of the trailer and oil was spraying everywhere. One of the hydraulic tubes of the lift had broken. This was going to take a lot longer than we expected. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you want to join us next week to watch what happened on the boatyard.